Balesikhona tshelo yasifeshana tela xolela amaphutha nyanyenzeka tela sixolela amaphutha nyanyenzeka. Chomi, say hi. Say hi. Welcome to another vlog. It's the consistency for me, guys. Welcome to another vlog. Thank you guys so much for coming back to this vlog. It's Galicious and it's a Dazzle Avenue. In this avenue, we dazzle. So don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, comment, and share. Share definitely so you reach a wider audience. So this is just the excitement for the show that is gonna be today. I don't know if this is gonna be a vlog on its own just for today, or it's basically just gonna be linked with some other clips as well. But then there's gonna be yeah, there's a bash. That's a show. That's a show. Ithuba lesikhona tela yosifeshana tela sixolelan amaphutha nyanyenzeka. Guys, I've been studying and it has not been going into vain. So yeah, now we're just on our way to Baines to actually just go get like a six-pack or something. So we already like get into the vibe. Van ons is mos nou eers in die vibe. So ons gaan kry something just to get in the vibe already and feel the vibes. And be the gone girls. I haven't applied gloss to my lips. Oh. I haven't applied gloss to my lips, guys. I'm actually coming from school. I had claws. I didn't have class. We had a test, guys, at 12:30. Show me what's the time now? It's 8 minutes to 2 right now. We had a test at 12:30. And I think I aced it. Yeah, so we're on our way to Baines, but I'm not gonna be vlogging everything, guys. Because at this point, give me credit, guys, for my consistency. Because this vlog will be out after the random day with the random. What's the vlog? What am I gonna title that vlog? It's gonna be random days in the life of Siska. So this one is gonna be out after that one. So pay some credit for consistency because yours could never. Yeah. I'm kidding. I'm just so excited, guys. I've been speaking and rambling for quite a minute now. I think guys are gonna be skipping this part. So cheers, chawarios, aurus, and kudos, and burros, and guzur. So we're basically no. We basically just said, okay, Lico, we're just trying to get a bottle. I don't know which bottle. It's Jager on special. It's for $2.80. What do you get it? Yeah. So those are the vibes. 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 I'm not in the mood of creating content today. Okay, so basically I have to walk like this. Then only you guys can see me. So I just left my friend and then I'm going back to Imona and then things are happening. I'm going back to Imona, guys. Like, I'm literally going back to Imona and then things are happening and yeah, those are the vibes. Guys, my keys fell. I'm literally so drunk. You guys even saw my student number. Maybe you guys are gonna hack my account, but yeah, those are the vibes. My friend left me. She's apparently going back to her parents and then I'm just gonna be here looking around for friends to hang out with at the bash or at the event itself, and then all that is gonna go down today. So let me just pick up my keys. My keys fell. I'm going back to Imona to go get my makeup and everything done because I want to look bomb as well. I want to look bomb like the way I was looking yesterday. Yesterday at the event. I'm kidding. I'm kidding. I would have shown you guys the stadium from here, but then yeah, you can see that's the stadium. That's the stadium. So that's the stadium. I'm still with my school bag. And that's the stadium, babies. So you won't believe this, but as soon as I got back, I literally just slept. And I dozed off. I blacked out from that beer that I had. I blacked out. I woke up finally, thank goodness. I drank some water. I feel so much better. I feel like the sleep gave me something good because I was gonna black out more because I'm gonna have more alcohol. And I drank water with painkillers. I felt so much rejuvenated. And then now I'm going to pick an outfit to wear. I have to do my wake up. Come on, my wake up. I have to do my makeup and then I have to get my hair done, go take a bath and vlog, which I don't think this is gonna be a vlog on its own, like a separate vlog, because I really don't I don't want it to be focused on that because I also want to have fun, like legit fun this week. I want to spoil myself, like having fun, drinking and being careless, because I vlog too much. Ek mos nou baie gevlog vir julle. I know, guys. So I love you so much, although I'm holding my charger, which I'm going to charge my phone. En dan gaan ons uit van die plek uit. One thing about me, I know how to look crusty 1 minute, nee. I know how to look homeless 1 minute. And then on another occasion, wait. On the transformation. But yeah, I feel like I'm still drunk and intoxicated, but okay. I love you all babies back. Thank you so much for showing me the love for my video. Although it's just been like 2 hours right now. So yeah. Ik charge my phone, ik speel mijn muziek. Ik speel al klaar Aymos lead. Come on, why is it still recording? So these are just the vibes basically.
Do I know a producer?
Ah, niet te gaan recorden, die Oh, the main event is the other side, nee? That's so cool. Hi. So yeah.
You have to vlog.
I need to. Why not?
Everybody's looking good. Woo, she's killing it, ladies and gentlemen. Come on.
Okay. Let's go. Show them.
I said, Cousin. Say, Babe. Sabe que ao te chamo, amando. Chegando ao banco, chegando, que pintam para lá. Sabe que ao te chamo, oba os olhos. Ei! When I was on it. When I was on it. And darling, como as gababas. Escuta mais. Cinema. Oh, Lolo. I say 1, 2, 3. I am a meaning. Hey! One more time. Say, I am a meaning. 1, 2, 3. Let's go. Say, lifestyle, lifestyle. Say, something. Lifestyle, lifestyle. It's true. Say, lifestyle, lifestyle. Lifestyle, lifestyle, lifestyle. Say Karaganman. Flashlight, flashlight, flashlight. Say it's you. Utalo lwakho lungenza ngishelele Can you feel it? It's moving.
I got back at Imona right now. It's literally 12:53 and I washed off my makeup. I probably still have some on my eyelids and yo. I loved it so much. Like I loved the show so much. Like the highlight of the show was Amos. I don't know. The highlight of the show for me, basically personally, was Amos. Like he gave everything he was supposed to give. It was like most of us were anticipated to see him, more than we were anticipated to, or more than we had that thrills to see Young Stunna. So yeah, we met with Amos, not met, but we saw it. We were breathing the same air. So yeah, it was so exciting. Like I look forward to meeting so many new celebrities and everything. Last weekend, Miklali was here and I was so devastated. I was like, I even don't want to view your stories because you are literally here and I cannot see you. We cannot meet, you know. So you know, it was such a wonderful show and everything. The worst part of the show that I didn't like is when Tate Puti was performing and then not everyone was like pouring alcohol on each other. I was like the ghetto. I got so annoyed. Yeah. Okay, yeah. I got so annoyed and everything. And yeah. So it was such a nice day. It's actually Friday right now. It's a good Friday. So it's a good Friday. Happy Easter. I know you guys are only gonna see this vlog after 2 weeks. After the spend a day with me, yeah. I'm gonna spend the random days with me. So yeah. I'm back in my room. I'm back in my room. And I'm back. And I'm back. And I'm back. Because I love Aymos so much. I love Aymos so much. I'm literally going on Instagram right now and I'm gonna follow him. I don't know why I don't follow him. I only follow Young Stunna, but I wasn't having thrills to see Young Stunna. When I saw Aymos, I was like, like, how is it like that in human form? He's better. Huh? Yo? Yo. Shit. Okay, yeah. But yeah. So good night, babies. I don't know if I'm gonna continue this vlog or if it's just gonna be for today. I want it to be just for today. I want to do more, spend a day with me vlogs. Because I feel like my days, a lot of things don't happen that much, in my days. And yeah. But anyways, guys, if this is gonna be, I don't know if this is gonna be the last clip, I love you guys so much. And remember to always dazzle. This is in this avenue with dazzle. So dazzle, baby. And see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. And I love you guys so much.